Get ready to dive into a fierce battle of foldables, the Huawei Mate X7 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Both pack an 8-inch foldable display, but which one truly shines in resolution and brightness? Will the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset in Mate X7 outperform the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Fold 7? How do their cameras stack up, especially with Huawei's variable aperture versus Samsung's staggering 200 MP sensor? Battery life, build durability, and unique features like wireless pen support or Samsung DeX could tip the scales. And the ultimate question, is Huawei's cutting-edge tech worth the premium over Samsung's versatile multitasking powerhouse? Let's find out. Both foldables sport an impressive 8.0-inch LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rates. But the Mate X7 edges out slightly with a higher resolution of 2210 by 2416 pixels, some 409 ppi, versus the Fold 7's 1968 by 2184 pixels, some 368 ppi, delivering crisper visuals. Huawei's display peaks at 2500 nits, while Samsung tops at 2600 nits, meaning the Fold 7 offers slightly better brightness for outdoor use. The Mate X7's cover display boasts an ultra-bright 3000 nits peak with Kunlun glass too, emphasizing durability and vividness, whereas Samsung uses Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, focusing on toughness. Overall, Huawei prioritizes resolution and brightness synergy, while Samsung leans into peak luminance and robust cover glass. Under the hood, Huawei Mate X7 runs on the Kirin 9030 Pro, a powerhouse designed for efficiency and AI-enhanced performance, while the Galaxy Z Fold7 sports the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process, promising blazing speed and power efficiency. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's advanced architecture often delivers better gaming and multitasking performance, making Samsung's choice more future-proof for demanding users. Huawei Mate X7 impresses with 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate, wireless pen support for productivity, and a vapor chamber cooling system ensuring sustained performance. It also includes AI notes, BDS satellite messaging, and aerospace-grade aluminum for durability. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 counters with Samsung DeX for desktop-like experience, ultra-wideband UWB for precise device tracking, and advanced multitasking features like Flex Mode and Drag and Split multi-window, plus Galaxy AI tailored for large screens. Huawei focuses on hardware innovation and AI tools, while Samsung excels in software versatility and ecosystem integration. Huawei Mate X7 features a versatile triple camera setup, highlighted by a 50MP variable aperture main lens, f1.4 through f4.0 with OIS, and a periscope telephoto offering 3.5x optical zoom, ideal for diverse shooting conditions. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 ups the ante with a massive 200MP main sensor, delivering incredible detail, paired with a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Samsung's camera shines in resolution and video capability, 8K at 30 FPS, while Huawei offers flexible aperture for better low-light adaptability. For selfies, Huawei Mate X7 offers an 8MP wide lens, while Samsung provides a sharper 10MP ultra-wide and an additional 10MP cover camera, giving Fold 7 users more versatile selfie options and higher resolution for crisp self-portraits. Huawei's standout is the variable aperture system, combined with multispectral and color spectrum sensors, enhancing color accuracy and adaptability in different lighting. Samsung's Fold 7 counters with AI-powered filters, Pro Visual Engine nightography for better night shots, and macro capabilities, focusing on computational photography to elevate image quality. Huawei Mate X7 boasts a larger 5525 mAh battery, promising longer usage between charges, compared to the Galaxy Z Fold7's 4400 mAh, which may require more frequent top-ups under heavy use. In terms of durability, Huawei Mate X7 offers IP58, IP59 ratings, meaning it can survive high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, using aerospace-grade aluminum. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 has IP48 certification with advanced armor aluminum frame, offering solid protection but slightly less water resistance. Huawei leads in ruggedness and water defense. Both devices offer ample RAM and storage options, with Huawei Mate X7 topping out at 1 TB with up to 20 GB of RAM, slightly edging Samsung's 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, catering to power users needing massive multitasking and storage capabilities. Price-wise, Huawei Mate X7 starts at $1,590+, positioning itself as the premium choice with cutting-edge hardware, while Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 begins at $1,400+, offering a more affordable entry into the foldable flagship market with strong software features.